Wait, I'm gonna do the mama.
What?
And then you have to hurry up and move. Like, I have to hurry up and move. Mama did this and she came under me. She was laying down.
Can I have some theme music? Okay, 1, 2.
Wait. Tell us how that felt. How do you feel?
Well, I hit the tree. It was pretty good. Alright, I have to go.
Cody.
Okay, unrecorded.
Rachel.